Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice with EPICURE. So what should you do when you first sign up to be an amazing EPICURE consultant? So if you're anything like me, I was super excited. I don't do things, sitting back, waiting for things to happen. I just do it, okay? So I had signed up because I wanted the kit for myself. But then I was also super excited to sell too and make some extra money, because you can make about 20 to 25% commission starting out. The more you sell, the more cooking classes you have, you get up the levels, and then you can make even more. But if you want to do it kind of on the side like me, just do it a little bit here, a little bit there. I do all of my sales online, part-time, technically, even a little bit less. You can make some amazing commission. Like 20 to 25% for just basically posting and putting in orders is pretty good, right? You want your customers to do all of the hard work by bringing in their, co-workers, their friends, their family to order, and then you make the money. So it's pretty cool. But what should you do first? So your kit will take about a week to 2 weeks to come in the mail, usually about a week, but I say 2 weeks because you never know, and I don't want people to be like, okay, it's been 7 days, it's not here yet, what's taking so long? So I usually tell people 1 to 2 weeks at the most. It is so much fun because it will come in 2 large EPICURE boxes. So that was always exciting, right? It's kind of like Christmas. But before that happens, sign in, log in, and just look at all of the things that we have. So this is what the main back office looks like. And if you guys click on the 3 lines here, you will see EPICURE University with like all of the product info, how to book cooking classes. I'll just kind of click on a couple things here for you. You can listen, do trainings. I'll show. I'm sorry. I will show you guys the business tools. So like social media, you can start preparing your page on what you want to post. Like I sold things even before my kit came in. You don't need your kit to sell things. You can sell right away. Let's say you need some posting ideas. So I just clicked on the post. You can just simply click that, save that. Oh, that looks so yummy. Talk about tacos. I don't know. Talk about how EPICURE, whoops, I just signed out of the whole thing. You can talk about how just EPICURE makes things easy, quick. But I do suggest looking into your business tools, the documents and forms, and just reading through this. You won't remember everything. I don't expect you guys to memorize everything. There won't be a quiz, but just sort of look through things so that way you kind of know how things work overall. You can look at, say, the commonly asked questions. You can just look through that. This helps. You can look through just pretty much anything you want to look through. If you want to calculate taxes, like I do everything online, so it calculates the taxes for me. If you want to learn more about your consultant agreement, you can go through that, So just kind of look through things. Just look through things as you want. I do suggest looking at the product info sheets because it's just nice to know we have them all here for you. So if the customer asks you, oh, I'm allergic to this and this, can you send me the product sheet on that? So let's say they want to order the chocolate truffle mix. You can click that. You can either tell them what's in it, post it on your page, send it to them. We make it so easy. So I do suggest doing that, just sort of looking through things how you want. Our never ever list is so helpful. Post that, especially for new customers. We never have any of this stuff. The most common thing that people ask me is, okay, so why would I buy EPICURE and not something else? Why would I not just go to the store and buy a cinnamon seasoning when, or why would I pay $2 more to get it through EPICURE? Well, because we don't have all of this stuff in there. Ours, is coming from a good source. What's in your cinnamon seasoning, your salt and pepper, your everything. Buy from EPICURE because you know what's in it, So I do like to post this. In fact, I'll probably post that again because that's so helpful. But I do also suggest you guys to think of a name. Think of what you want to post in your page. So let me show you guys mine actually. Sorry. I'm just on my Facebook right now. Let's look at clean eating without sacrifice. So this is me. I just literally post just random things sometimes. I'll admit I don't really have a schedule. It just kind of depends on when I have extra time to be on the computer. I'll post a couple things. I will post about products that are almost not going to be available. I post about new products because people love the new products. I like, as you guys can see, like I just post like random things. Like I don't really have a system. People always say you should have a system on posting, but I don't even have time for that. I am busy, but I still sell, you guys. I sell enough, so clearly something's working, right? I post about just me using the steamer, how easy it is. You know, after I posted this, actually, I sold 3 steamers. So, you know, just by posting. Always think of yourself as the customer. What would you want to see? When you were first looking into Epicure, what brought your attention to go, oh, Epicure, that sounds awesome? Did you see a picture like this? Did you see a picture like this? Did you see a picture of, you know, this, right? Like, do you want, think of things that you would actually want to look at. But also keep in mind that everybody's different. So don't always post the same pictures, post different things because different things might appeal to different people. I just noticed this one here. I know that a lot of people were excited about this. But yeah, like as you guys can see, I post different things. But think of a name. It doesn't have to be the most amazing name ever. Like I just said, clean eating without sacrifice. Because at the time I was like fully into clean eating, but I found it so hard because I didn't get anything that actually tasted good until I tried Epicure. You know, taking little steps is so important. I would love to not have carbs, to not have sugar, but that's impossible for me. I feel like I need those things, but Epicure is limited sugar, limited salt, everything. So that makes me feel better about myself. So that's just kind of where clean eating without sacrifice comes from. But keep in mind, you can have a name and then just change it up, right? And let's say, speaking of your page, let's say you're looking into cover photos, right? Because you want to be able to have those nice like pictures for your page, or even if you want to make a website or, you know, something, right? Click on cover images. And we give you so many different, well, I shouldn't say so many different options, but we give you guys enough options to choose from. With every new catalog, you will find more. So that's nice, right? Profile pictures, if you want to, you know, change it up to your profile picture too, which is such a good idea. Oh, sorry, they don't really have any Epicure profile pictures. Awkward, but you get the idea, right? Videos, I actually haven't clicked on the videos before, but let's say you want to just talk about Epicure, which I am actually going to share this. That's an excellent idea. Share the link. You know, think of things that people want to see first, because when you first post, can I share that? People might not know what Epicure is, or they might be thinking, oh, well, she just wants to sell something. You know, who knows, right? You don't know what people are thinking. So it's kind of nice to give an overall idea of what Epicure is. This is just kind of nice to be able to see the different options. I just kind of fast forwarded a little bit for you guys. Sorry guys, it's kind of slow, but you get the idea. Okay, I was kind of hoping to show something of them cooking. There we go. So like you can see that things are just, you know, easy. People are talking, they're like able to cook things, you know, make things that are so much easier, and you don't have to spend a fortune. That's the best part. Like honestly, the best part for me is that it's clean eating so much easier without spending a fortune. You know, I want to learn how to cook better, cook more from home, still be healthy, but be, you know, good tasting too. So why not make some money from that, right? So technically everything that you purchase, you get a 20% to 25% discount for yourself. So that's nice, right? But yeah, I guess that's it. I just kind of wanted to help you guys along if you're thinking about Epicure, if you're thinking, okay, awesome, I have signed up, where do I get started? So this helps, but if you guys want to be on my team, please just let me know. You can send me a message through the website that I leave on the bottom for you guys. You can also go to my page, which I should have the link for you guys on the bottom too. You can send me a message that way. Talk to me. I am so happy to answer any questions. I had a million questions when I first started, so I am so happy to help you guys. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. I'm super excited for EPICURE USA coming in August. I have tons of people already who want to be a part of this. Please let me know. I am more than welcome to answer your questions. So thank you guys so much. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you very, very soon.